event. My name is Vivian. I'm the sales director of SCU. Now I'm at the SNEC Solar and Energy Storage Fair. It is the biggest event in whole Asia for solar. Today, it's my great pleasure to show you our booth. Okay, let's go. This is a lithium-ion battery system. It is 52 kilowatt hour. The discharge power is up to 230. It means you can charge and discharge the battery at a rate of 4C. Various layers of protection. We offer various options. For example, the STS module for on-grid off-grid seamless transfer, and the MPPT module for solar access. Then the DC-DC module for wide battery input voltage. Next, I'll introduce you our new product. It's called GRESS system. GRESS means Grid Renewable Energy Storage System. It's a new robust design by SCU. It features zero emission and ultra mobility. Here we have the PCS rack, 100 kilowatts. Here is the battery racks, totally 158 kilowatt hours. Forced fan cooling instead of extra cooling equipment. It's designed to work in -20 to +50 degrees. No derating of performance and reliability. I would say that GRESS system is not just the energy storage. It's more than energy storage. Let me show you why and how. GRESS system is a static generator. As we know, emergency electricity is mainly supplied by diesel generator. But now, SCU bring a great solution, the GRESS system. It is carbon-free, less noisy. It can completely replace the generators. Renewable energy combined with solar and wind. GRESS system can supply remote areas with 100% renewable energy. Additional power in case of low grid power, for example, EV charging station. GRESS system can supply the chargers with additional power, so they can charge EVs much more faster. Backup power. Some critical load needs stable power supply. When grid drops, no problem. GRESS have your back. Active power filter. In specific industrial application, GRESS can play the job of harmonic elimination and reactive power compensation. Dear audience, I'm very happy to announce that we have Mr. Jason, the CEO of SCU, here with us today. I would like to ask him a few questions which you might be interested in. Hello, Mr. Jason. Could you please have a brief introduction on Chinese energy storage market?
Okay, well, I think China's energy storage market is relatively in its early stage. I will explain from three perspectives. First of all, in terms of policies, there are corresponding regulations for energy storage on the power generation side and the grid side. For example, the new energy power generation side must be equipped with 10% to 20% capacity energy storage. However, there are no public standards and regulations for energy storage on the user side. But the problem is, the policies and the standards are not clear yet. Different sectors have different requirements for the size and the capacity. So I think we need more time for that. Secondly, from the perspective of business model, because the policy is not clear enough and unified, it is impossible to form a clear business model in terms of investment. So unfortunately, for the business model, I think we still need more time for that too. Thirdly, for energy storage products, I think there is a lot of space for improvement. Thirdly, in energy storage products, finally, I think there is also a lot of space for improvement. Let's say the safety of energy storage, capacity of the system, the efficiency of operation, the service life, etc. These are very specific criteria that the product needs to get improved. This is a long-term exploration and improvement process. We are very hopeful that the future of this sector is very bright. Thank you.
Mr. Jason, thanks for your answer. China target to be carbon neutral by 2060. Now we are depending more and more on clean energy. In that case, energy storage is much more important. Would you please explain us how does energy storage contribute to carbon neutral?
Okay, well, as currently we can see that by 2030 the carbon will be on the high peak, and by 2060 we need to get the zero carbon. And this is very much related to the development of our Chinese industry. So this situation is kind of undeniable situation. We must have to achieve that. Okay, so now let's talk about how we will achieve that. Actually, it's very simple. Let's analyze the Chinese energy sectors. Coal energy is 67% of the whole energy sector. Water energy is 15%. Nuclear energy is 5%. And the new energy, including solar and wind power, it's more or less than 10%. So actually it's very simple. We have to increase the new energy sector to more or less than 50%. It's a must to achieve the carbon zero. If the new energy sector gets increased from 10% to 50%, the whole energy sector will be changed. Not only the whole energy sector, the whole world will be experiencing a new green world. So in that case, new energy storage plays a very important role. I personally think it's much more effective on the user side. Alright, for example, let's talk about the electric cars. In future, electric cars can be a big energy storage for the user side. Let's say we usually don't drive our car at night. So when the car is resting there, we can use the car's energy and transform it to our daily uses. As you know, we now depend on power grid for our daily life electricity needs. In future, we can use new energy for our electricity sources. And then adding up the new energy storage system, we can turn our house into an independent powerhouse electricity. In the end, I wanted to say, that's all I wanted to say. In the end, I wanted to say a new storage system is the solution for our. In the end, I want to say
and the day after
energy
tomorrow.
storage system will be the
Thanks
future.
for your time. Bye bye.
Thank you all.